Hey, Sam here. So I wanted to announce that Sam, myself, I've been doing this laser stuff now with my Saint Smart over here that I've upgraded, and you guys have seen some of the results of that. So I've enjoyed working with lasers so much that I decided to get a big laser. So Sam's Wood Creations is moving into the future, and I bought this Monport 60 watt CO2. I've really enjoyed this thing. I have had a lot of fun making projects with it, and I've had so much fun actually that I decided to join the Monport family. So we're going to move forward with this thing, and you can move along with us and follow us as we explore this Monport laser and make some real nice things, hopefully. And I'll share all of this along the way. And by the way, if you look down in my description, you can find a link to Monport lasers. And you can also find a code down there that can get you 6% off any of these lasers. And these are really good lasers. So that's why I decided to join the Monport family. And so follow along as we create some really nice, really nice goodies like, hey, here's one right here. This Hocus Pocus clock. You probably never seen one like it anywhere. Well, a lot of that was engraved right here on this laser and put on that up here. So, hey, join us as we move along. Go out and watch my videos and enjoy the stuff that I got out there. And join, have your friends come over, and they can get a discount on the Monport too. So, yeah, just remember. Yeah, there you go. How's that look? Yeah, that's not too bad. So, hey, get out there and watch my videos and run my numbers up. Help me make money. I'm an old man. I need all the help I can get. Y'all have a good day now. Bye.